A very cheerful morning, happy morning to all my lovely kids, my little angels. How are you students? Fine. Are you taking care of your health? Yes. और बाहर जाते समय मास्क लगाते हैं ना आप? Very nice बेटा, because your first sem is going to start from 10th of October. तो आपको अपनी सेहत का भी ध्यान रखना है ना? Yes, so by this time I hope you might have completed all your notebooks, English text as well as your grammar. Children, I have sent all the textual answers through PDF. आपको सारे answers मिल गए ना? Very nice बेटा. Learn and practice more and more. जितना आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना ही आप अच्छे से पेपर दे सकेंगे और अच्छा लिख पाएंगे. So today you might have been many queries, मैम. पेपर कैसा होगा, रिवीजन कैसे स्टार्ट करनी है, हमारा सिलेबस क्या है. सो मैनी क्वेरीज यू माइट बी वेवरिंग इन योर माइंड. सो फॉर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू सम ऑफ द गाइडलाइंस. यस, दैट इज रिगार्डिंग पेपर पैटर्न, syllabus as well as model question paper. Okay children, so are you ready? Are you all set with your notebooks children? Okay. So my dear students, are you all set with your notebook? Now I am going to give some of the guidelines regarding English text. Okay. So children, your syllabus will be from 1 to chapter 10. This will be from this book only. Whatever it's done in this textbook as well as in the notebook. So let's start children. This is the serial number, type of questions, number of questions and marks. Okay children, I repeat for you. This is the sequence, type of questions, number of questions and mark. In this way will be the paper pattern of English text. Okay students, let's move children. Question number 1, it will be multiple choice questions and that will be of 6, number of questions will be 6 and it will be of 6 marks. Got it students? मल्टीपल चॉइस जिसको आप बोलते हैं MCQs, वो होंगे 6 और देन मार्क्स विल बी 6. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 विल बी fill in the blanks. Number of questions will be 5 and marks will also be 5. So 1 mark for each blank. Okay students. Now question number 3 will be write true or false. T for true, F for false. There will be 4 true or false and the marks will be also 4. 4. Okay. Question number 4 will be match the following. आप जिसको बोलते हो ना जोड़े मिलाओ, do matching. The match and following will be 5 and it will be of 5 marks. 1 mark for each. Okay students? Yes. We move further students. Question number 5. Answer in 3 to 4 sentences. That means question and answers. They will be of 5. कितने होंगे? 5 होंगे and it will be of 10 marks. Okay. Question number 6. Complete the following verses from the poem. That means you have to learn the poem. It will be from the poem. Any 5 lines from any of the poem. Okay. 5 lines and marks will be 5. Okay students. Now question number 7. From the given story web, build a story. A help box will be given to you. From that children you have to build, you have to frame the story. That is already been done in the textbook as well as in the notebook also. That will also be of 5 lines and the marks will be 5. Yes, the total paper of English text will be of 40 marks. See children, are you able to see? serial number, type of questions, number of questions and marks. So this was the paper pattern for English text. Now children, you may be having query कि किस तरह से पेपर पूछा जाएगा. So let's go with a model paper also students. So my dear students, now we are going to discuss with model question papers. आपके मन में queries है ना बेटा, that will be all clear. So are you set children? Yes, we are going to discuss model question paper कि आपका English text for semester exam के लिए वो कैसा होगा. So children, let's start together. First of all children, you have to write the date and roll number and your name. Okay, see the instruction children. You have to read the instructions also. Write in a clear, neat and legible handwriting. मैं आपको हमेशा बोलती हूँ ना बेटा that you should always write in good and neat handwriting so that it should be readable. Write the test in the supplementary sheets where you have to write all the answers. You have to write all the answers in your supplementary sheets. Write the following details: name, class, roll number, date and subject in your sheet. आपको बहुत ही ध्यान से you have to write your name, class, roll, date and subject in your sheet. सबसे पहले आपको इस बात का ध्यान देना है. ओके, राइट द क्वेश्चंस ऑल्सो इन योर शीट. आपको सिर्फ आंसर्स ही नहीं बल्कि क्वेश्चंस भी यू हैव टू राइट द क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर. गिव द प्रॉपर नंबर टू ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. Yes, the very important point children, the Photoshop PDF of the supplementary sheet has to be submitted before or by 8 PM on the day of the assessment itself. जिस दिन आपका एग्ज़ाम है, the day of the assessment, you have to submit your sheet on that day only before 8 or by 8 PM on the day of the assessment itself. Got it students? Yes. Now children, we move further. It's a model question paper for English text. Yes. Take the question number 1. Yes. MCQs. You were asking na MCQs, that is multiple choice questions. Your first question will be tick the correct answer in each. What does the sun decide to do? I am not giving you that answers, but it will be that type of. What does the sun decide to do? Enjoy a walk, enjoy a holiday. So which one is correct? Yes, enjoy a holiday. बेटा जो करेक्ट है उस पे ही टिक करना है, पूरे दोनों को टिक नहीं करना है. विच एवर इज द करेक्ट यू हैव टू टिक दैट वन. गॉट इट? यस. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल फॉर यू स्टूडेंट्स. वेयर डू गिरिजा एंड हैरी हाइड? बिहाइंड द कबोर्ड और आउटसाइड. सो विच वन इज द करेक्ट? यू विल टिक दैट ओनली. सो चिल्ड्रन, दैट इज टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. आपका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होगा टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. यस, इन दिस वे यू विल बी गेटिंग 6 of 6 marks. Okay, we move further. Question number 2, as I said you beta, it's fill in the blanks. Jumbo is a baby dash. Jumbo is a baby elephant. Hoja is resting near the village stream. Manu gives Aarti a dash and her mother a dash. क्या दिया मनु ने? Manu gives Aarti a big hug and her mother a smile. Munmun the seed sleeps inside the soil. Okay. Nasruddin Hoja is very clever or foolish? Yes, Nasruddin Hoja is very clever. So these are the fill in the blanks. In this way we will be asking you fill in the blanks from the textbook itself. Your question number 3 will be, students, write T for the statement that is true and F for the statement that is false. जो सही है उसके लिए T, जो गलत है उसके लिए F. C. One day the children want to trouble Hoja. It's true or false? You have to decide. The poet thinks the smile is a nice thing. The smile is quite a funny thing or a nice thing. Yes. So in this way the true and false will be asked to you. It will be of 4 and of 4 marks also. Your question number 4 will be, students, match the following A and B. You have to do the matching. Frown, smile, near, far, down, up. So in this way you will be doing matching. Okay. Question number 4 will be match the following. It will be of 5 marks. Question number 5, students, answer the following questions in 3 to 4 sentences. That will be of 10 marks. Okay. There will be 5 question answers and it will be of 10 marks. In this way the question answer will be asked to you. Why does the son decide to take a holiday? Who is Jumbo? What does he love to eat? What does the rabbit trip on? How does Manu's scarf become dirty? What does Hoja look like? So these are some of the examples from the textbook only. In this way we are going to ask question answers of 10 marks. Now question number 6 is complete the following words from the poem. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया 5 lines will be asked to you from any of the poem. You will never know but can do this. You have to complete the verse. It will be of 5 marks. Got it, students? Yes. Now it's an activity time. Your last question will be activity time. Question number 7, from the given story web, build a story. It will be also of 5 lines of 5 marks only. Okay, see, in this way the story web will be given to you and help box will be given to you, and children, you have to build a small story. You have to frame a story like this. See, I have given you a help box and you will be writing down, you will frame a story on this basis, and it will be also of 5 marks. So children, got it? In this way will be your English text examination paper, okay, for SEM 1. So I hope children you are much clear with the paper pattern as well as the model question papers, and I wish you all the best. खूब मेहनत करना है, अपनी सेहत का भी ध्यान रखना है. Practice and practice. Practice makes the man perfect. So children, it was all for the day, and keep learning. Have a great time.